The new base for Jet Airways is going to be Delhi and not Bombay like before, and also they plan on starting the airline with 25 brand new aircrafts, not only covering domestic but also international sectors. Hi everyone, my name is Twinkle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about everything new about Jet Airways, new updates about Jet Airways, vacancies, when are they going to start recruiting, some here and there updates about the airline altogether, which has been taken by a very recent interview given by Murari Lal Jalan, which is one of the investors of the airline. Not only that, I'm also going to discuss about eligibility criteria for freshers as well as experienced, and how the airline and its operations are going to start in the near future. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep watching. But before I get into the video, I would like you to consider subscribing to my channel if you like the kind of content I make, usually revolving around aviation and career, and very soon also finance and English. Yes, I'm going to introduce English and finance topics as well. So if you are interested in this kind of content, do not forget to like, share and also subscribe to my channel. On that note, let's jump into the video. So in a recent interview where Murari Lal Jalan was asked a few questions, he was very clear about that the airline will be starting its operations within 4 to 6 months from now, and it has always been said that the airline will be operational in summer 2021. So if you calculate 6 months from now, the airline, which is around August to September, the airline is set to get airborne. However, the time which is required for them is because the slots that were with the airline previously, they need to apply afresh for the same slots because they have been taken back from them since April 2019 when the airline was grounded. So they need to apply afresh and only then it will start again. The process and everything will take time. So for you guys, you know that the hiring and the operational requirements, everything sort of procedure with regards to the recruitment and hiring should be happening in this period. So you should have definitely an eye on the website or on the news channels, and of course this channel and my Instagram for vacancy updates for sure. So if you're not following me on my Instagram yet, I will leave the handle here. You can start following me on Instagram. Apart from updates about vacancies, I also do posts regarding how to improve and how to get more closer to your dream job. Apart from that, Murari Lal Jalan has clearly said that their operations would not just be domestic. Of course, initially it will be, but they are very soon going to expand to international routes just like before. Also talking about their services, they say it is going to be a full service airline just as before. They will have premium class cabins and premium service like it was before. They want to give the best experience to their customers just like before. So there will be no changes whatsoever in their service and the kind of customer experience that they used to provide to their customers and passengers. Apart from that, initially they plan to start with sectors like Delhi to Bombay, which are usual, expanding to major cities, metro cities, and also to tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and which will also include their continuous operations, their seamless operations to places like Bhubaneswar, Ranchi, Patna, Guwahati, etc. So it will be expanding its wings, and that too seamlessly and very fast, just like before. Adding on to that, they will not just start passenger services but also cargo services, because they will be getting permissions for that as well very soon, with a fleet of 25 brand new aircrafts. Yes, so they had like 6 grounded aircrafts, but he said that Murari Lal Jalan mentioned that the aircrafts have been grounded for pretty much long time. They were not operational, so they will undergo all the checks to see if the aircrafts are airworthy or not, and if at all they are, they would be put into operations, but that would take time and they want to start as soon as possible. So they're coming up with 25 brand new aircrafts, a mix of both narrow body and wide body. So means a mix of 320s families, the Airbus ones, and of course Boeing's the wide body aircrafts as well. So it is going to be around 18 to 20 narrow body aircrafts and 5 to 7 wide body aircrafts, which will definitely include some operations to cargo as well. Coming back to your part of interest hiring, so he has clearly mentioned that he is very thankful to all the ex-employees who have definitely taken part in actively reporting and also supporting them. So their preference will be given to, of course, ex-employees first, and they will be individually contacted. All the staff will be contacted and will be informed about hiring. They will be given equal chances and opportunities to join back, because I'm sure most of them, if they have moved out or gone back to their places, have started something new, started working somewhere else, so the option will be given definitely if they want to. And after they, of course, are not considered, the options are finished, only then other people will be considered. So have this thing very, very clear in your mind, that all the opportunities will go to ex-employees first, then comes experience, and then to freshers, the way how it should be. Also, apart from that, he very clearly mentioned that they will be needing professionals to take care of the higher management. So any of you out there who's not been an ex-employee, or if they have been looking out to join higher management or just a management admin in general, they will be looking for professionals to join for you to be hired in their organization, in their airline. So that is also a very, very good news for you. So moving on ahead, I will be sharing with you all now the eligibility criteria for Jet Airways for freshers as well as for experienced people. So before that, I also want to clarify that there has been no clear statement or clear picture when the vacancies are going to come out. So you have to be very, very careful and beware of any fake agents, agencies, consultants, or any emails that have been sent across to you, because they are all fraudulent. Whenever it comes, definitely it will be out and about on their official website, of which I will leave the link below in the description. If you want to check, you can check it out, but there is no careers page or nothing as sort which has been uploaded or which has been added on. There are no updates whatsoever with regards to vacancies. So do not indulge in having talks, or don't be basically responsive to these emails asking you to join Jet Airways, because definitely as of now nothing has come up. Whenever it comes, it will be out and about to everyone. So before the airline got grounded, the process was that you had to apply online as well, fill a form and submit definitely online. If there is a requirement, they will get back to you. And also there were opportunities of walk-in interviews, so there was a mix of both. However, we don't know now post-pandemic how the opportunities are going to be, whether it's going to be a walk-in interview or it's going to be a mix of video interview or face-to-face interview, both. So you can expect anything and be prepared for both. Coming back to the eligibility criteria for freshers, I'm going to flash on the screen now. So the age criteria is 18 to 27 for freshers. For experience, it is 32. Moving on to the height criteria, the height for men is minimum 170 cm and for females it's 157 cm. For the weight, should be in proportion to your height usually, but there is no BMI range which is specified, so you can be relaxed on that matter. The qualifications for education is 10+2 higher secondary certificate, but people who have applied and they are waiting for the results or something like that can also apply. That's what the criteria before said. New criteria is still to come out, but we will still stick to this criteria. Hope they don't make any changes to this. Marital status for fresher has to be unmarried, and in case you're experienced or ex-employee, it can be unmarried or married, both. Physical features, they of course expect a very pleasing personality, clear complexion, no scars, pimples, or any blemishes. Of course, this is subject to this is very subjective. You cannot just rely on the kind of criteria there is, but as of my knowledge, Jet Airways is very, very strict with these requirements, and as of my knowledge, India in general, airlines are very strict with regards to having a very, very clear skin and a good eyesight. They don't really allow specs on flight as of my knowledge, so yeah, you can have lenses. So good eyesight. Interactive skills, you should have excellent communication and superb good interpersonal skills. Language, you should be fluent in English and Hindi both. A lot of questions regarding people who cannot speak Hindi properly, especially people from the Northeast. Hindi is very much mandatory, required you to be fluent in Hindi as well, because most of the passengers of the aircraft sectors you will be covering would have passengers that speak only Hindi, so you need to understand their language and respond to them as well. So it's mandatory. Foreign language is definitely an added advantage. So this opportunity, moving on next, is for Indian citizens only, and you must have a valid Indian passport. Of course, they before had a relaxed procedure that even if you're applied and you're waiting for the passport, you could still apply. But then for me, I just think if you haven't applied for Indian passport, I would also leave the link for that online application of passport, that website where you can go and apply for it right now, because why do you need to wait for the opportunity to come and then you start working towards it? So do that. Mandatory documents, you need to have your PAN and Aadhaar card with you. And apart from that, training fees is going to be 50,000 for freshers, and for experience it's 25,000. Both are non-refundable. So yeah, this is all the criteria and eligibility requirements that you need to have. In case you fall in this criteria, whether fresher or experienced, start preparing for that. If you haven't applied for PAN card, Aadhaar card, you don't have the passport, do it ASAP. I will leave the things in the description box. Go ahead and do what you're supposed to do. On that note, that is all for this video. I hope you like this video and the updates that you got from Jet Airways. Just be careful about the fraudulent cases that are increasing nowadays. On that note, if you have any other questions regarding the airline or updates regarding vacancies for this airline, about the eligibility criteria as well, you can put it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.